Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The points 1, 1, minus 2, 7 and 3, minus 3 are vertices of equilateral triangle, collinear, vertices of isosceles triangle, or none of these. Now since collinearity is easier and faster to check, we'll start with that. So let's name the points. If the points P 1, 1, Q minus 2, 7 and R 3, minus 3, if they are collinear, their slopes will be equal. Their slopes will be equal. So let's first check for slopes. Slope of PQ equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 7 minus 1 upon minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 6 upon minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. Slope of QR is equal to, again, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to minus 3 minus 7 upon 3 minus of minus 2, which is 3 plus 2. So we get minus 10 upon 3 plus 2 is 5. So that is again minus 2. Now last, let's check slope of PR, which is again equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to minus 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So that is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. Since slopes of PQ, QR and PR are equal, points are collinear. So answer is option B.